I've had a passion for this creek for well over 50 years.
Hearing that from Mark Angelo is really saying something. As one of the world's foremost advocates for rivers, he's been on 1,000 rivers in at least 100 countries. But the little creek that ran through his old workplace is something that always stuck with him.
This creek, when I first saw it, was literally a dead stream. There were no fish at all.
It all began with a basic cleanup in the early 70s, pulling out garbage and debris and planting thousands of trees and shrubs.
So as the stream got cleaner, as it started to come back to life, that set the stage for reintroducing trout.
But there was still an obstacle on Guichon Creek, an old spillway that returning salmon couldn't navigate. Here's Angelo a few years ago helping them upstream with a dip net. To really get the stream back, another project was needed.
It sounded expensive.
Joe Kosh is the BCIT facilities boss, who realized that some work that had to be done to deal with an adjacent sinkhole could include the building of a fishway. And in the last few months, crews turned an obstacle into a passageway for spawning salmon. Come next fall, BCIT will have the distinction of being a major campus with a chum salmon run right through it.
This is amazing. I walk down here with my coffee at work. The students are loving it.
In the face of all the challenges for wild salmon, Angelo is often an optimist. And the story of Guichon Creek will no doubt be one of his favorites.
I look at the story of Guichon Creek and I think it highlights the fact that we can turn things around, that nature can heal itself if only we give it a chance.
In Burnaby, Paul Johnson, Global News.